Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. I'm Dr. Mukhtar Ahmed, Chairman, HEC. I'm pleased to announce today the initiation of the 30,000 Coursera licenses. As per promise by our Honorable Prime Minister for our youth, that we have to facilitate them and we have to create state-of-the-art facility for our young people. Through HEC, government has initiated many projects. One of them was to provide them opportunity that they should get the best course material available online, where they have to pay a lot of fee, which is now taken care of by Government of Pakistan. So these are free of cost courses, including the licensing fees is also paid by the Government of Pakistan. So we have launched this next phase of the Coursera courses, and now today, from 20th December 2024 to till 20th December 2025 to 19th December, I should say, for 1 year, we are initiating these 30,000 licenses available to our young people. So this is a great moment. Please take advantage of this thing. Get yourself equipped with the latest technologies, with those skill set which are required for young people to be, which should make you unable to be ready for the job in the market, inshallah. They will help you. Similarly, few other initiatives we have also initiated, like free course material or courses available online with licensing fee by Microsoft and similar other facilitation. So good luck to you. Take advantage of this thing and make us proud. Thank you very much.